Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are joining for the first time, come on in. I'm going to be talking about my Gucci bag. This is called the Gucci Ophidia Vanity case, or Gucci Ophidia Cosmetic case. So I got this a couple months ago, I don't know, like 3 or 4 months ago, and I'll leave a video of me talking about this bag and how I attached a top handle down below, and so you can check that video out if you haven't checked it out already. But today I'm going to be telling you and showing you how I use this bag. So let's get started. So I have been using this bag quite a lot. It's so lightweight and it's wipeable, and I just love it because it's so classic looking. I've attached right now this strap that I got from Amazon, and I thought it was really cute because it just added a little bit of, you know, like to the look of the bag. So and I also use this with my Louis Vuitton bags because it kind of reminds me of Ablo's Louis Vuitton straps that he uses quite often in his designs. But anyway, I will leave this link below in case it becomes available, but I think I bought the last one, but I will link it down below. So anyway, I'm going to be opening this bag and show you what's in it and what I usually carry these days. I am carrying very little these days. Right now I have in here my LV coin card holder, Coach mini keychain, and some chocolate. So I am using this mini, it's called a mini Rowan, and it's basically a keychain that you could hook your keys, or you can hook it to a purse, like a purse charm. And then I'm also using this Louis Vuitton coin card holder. I have all my cards and whatever cash I have, it's in here, and that's all I need right now. And I have some chocolate because, you know what, during this stressful situation, I'm just addicted to chocolate, and I have to have my chocolate every once in a while. So inside, I wanted to show you what I did. See that? I lined it with a piece of leather. I just cut it out and I lined it. And the reason I did that is because, as you all know, well, not as you all know, if you don't have this bag, you wouldn't know, the bottom is kind of soft and it gives a lot. So if you really put stuff in this bag, it will kind of sag. And in order to prevent that from happening, I'll show you what I did. So basically, I got a piece of leather that I had in, you know, I have a lot of craft stuff, and I just outlined the bag onto a piece of paper, made a pattern, and cut this cardboard out. And then I fit it in the bottom of the bag, and then I, you know, like trimmed a little bit here and trimmed a little bit there to make it perfectly fit in there. And then I also cut another piece out, slightly bigger than the cardboard. See that? It's slightly bigger than the cardboard because I wanted it to completely cover the cardboard once it was inside the bag. And so then I would put this on the bottom of the bag and this on the bottom of the bag. Because without the cardboard, the bag tends to sag a little bit on the bottom. So on the bottom, see how I put the cardboard in there? And it fits, you know, not perfectly, but it's good. So with the leather inside on top of the cardboard, that's what it looks like, and I quite like it. It's a little ripply, but that's okay. I think it still looks good. It protects the bottom, it gives structure so it doesn't bow at the bottom. And what I have is a tiny little keychain bag from Coach. It's called the Mini Rowan. It's actually like a purse charm, but I use it as a little tiny little micro bag, and I have, you know, my necessities in there, like a lipstick, and I sometimes just take this out because it's on a crossbody chain. I just take it out of the bag and run into the grocery store or wherever I need to go really quickly, come back out, wipe this down with alcohol pad or with a sanitizing wipe, then I put it back into the bag. And that's how I've been using this bag lately. I just leave this in the car in a safe location where people can't see it, because you got to be careful now, you know what I mean? And yeah, that's it. That's how I've been using this bag, with this shorter handle too. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention about the shorter handle. This is a Kate Spade handle. I feel like it's a very preppy looking handle, even though it's kind of wild looking because of the colors, like the cream and the dark navy. I just feel like it goes really well with this design. And sometimes I have another shorter handle, and it's from Kate Spade, and sometimes I use this handle because it's just pretty and it just makes me happy, and that's how I've been using this Gucci bag. If you liked this video and you thought it was helpful in any way, please give it your thumb up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below. And until next time, please stay safe during these crazy times, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.